Hello there, in this video you will learn how to download and install Trading Conceiver. In order to download Trading Conceiver, from the homepage of our website, click the Download menu. Trading Conceiver only works on Microsoft Windows operating systems, and any computer should be able to run it. In order to download the software, you must accept our end-user license agreement. So read it first by clicking the link, and then, when done, click the checkbox to agree to it. The download link then appears. Click it to download Trading Conceiver and wait for the download to complete. To install Trading Conceiver, double-click the downloaded file and follow the wizard. Currently, the installer and the executable are not digitally signed yet. Windows and also your antivirus will complain about this, both at installation and the very first time you launch the desktop application. With Windows, you will have to select options like More Info and Run Anyway. Allow the installer to run. The wizard pops up. You must accept the agreement and click Next. For the easiest experience, just accept the default settings, so click Next and Next. Install and wait for the application to install, and then click Finish. Now the application has been installed and starts automatically. Congratulations, you have just installed Trading Conceiver.